Police. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Seriously.
I am done. I'm not talking to your family ever again.
Okay.
I don't... You know what? You... fucking yield, you dumb fuck! Come on, you must not fucking... I'm fine.
What was that?
I just know, hey, just know, you almost got fucking rear-ended because you decided to brake on a yield. Dude, I'm having a really bad day.
I don't care if you're having a bad day, just know you almost got rear-ended.
Okay.
So just pay attention
All right.
to the road, I don't care. Hey,
I got you on my dash, you're on my dash.
and what, hey, on your dash cam, who did wrong, you or me?
Well,
Who did wrong? Who did wrong? You did, you stopped on the fucking yield, you went, you did wrong, just know.
I love you, brother. I love you, brother. I'm done with the conversation. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. I'll own it. I own it. I own it. I own it. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at. I own it. You're right. Look at me. Look at me. I own it. Listen. I own it. I own it. I'm sorry. I'm owning it. I'm owning it. I'm sorry. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Can you
Excuse me? I was wondering what you just said.
I'm trying to see what you want to say, because I'm a female and you a man, and I'm just going to let you know if you got a problem, I'm going to beat your ass. You was in the way, seeing me trying to get a parking spot. You moved out the way. What the fuck do you want?
So why are you screaming?
What do you want?
So why are you screaming?
What do you want? Why'd you turn around? Why did you turn around?
Weren't you screaming at me?
Do you want to make beef?
Slinging racist slurs?
I'm just trying to
Is that what you said?
Oh, okay. I'm just trying to see if you're trying to make a problem, because when people turn around, that mean they won't smoke.
Is that what they want?
I wouldn't care, record me, that's fine.
I thought you called me a cracker.
You are a cracker.
Is that what you're, is that what,
Right, you are a cracker. You're a full-blown cracker.
is that what your grandpa taught you?
You understand?
You know what that word means?
Record me high.
You know what the word cracker means?
He wouldn't move out the way when I was trying to turn. What else?
You know what that word means?
Okay. Your mom's probably a cracker. Y'all probably some white trash. Because look what you're doing.
Right. You probably, at least you know who holds the whip, right?
Any more white trash?
You know who holds the whip.
Any more white trash? Okay, thank you. That's all I need.
You're welcome for the spot.
That's all I need to know, white trash. That's all I need to know.
You'd rather call me a cracker.
So this kid flipped me off because I honked at him. And because I was just sitting there behind him at come and go, and he did not pull out. He was waiting and waiting and waiting to pull out. And so he flips me off. And then the stupid kid, he nearly hit somebody. Watch this though. Oh, he's turning left now. Oh, good. He's going the same direction I am. Kid's had like 15 wrecks in this crummy vehicle. By the way, I'm not looking at the phone. I'm just holding it in my hand, aiming it forward. So, but he's having to go, and it looks like he's going the same way I'm going. So this is good. This is fun. Let's just see what happens. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, let's talk to this dude. Let's see what's going on. Hey.
What's up?
Hey, what's your fucking problem, man?
What's your problem?
Well,
Why you following me, you fucking pedophile?
Yeah, I was actually driving the direction I'm going home.
I don't care. I got freedom of speech. Get out of here,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. Why don't you...
Come on, you want to go talk to my mom? Come on.
Let's go talk to your mom. Okay.
You right here. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, bro.
Let's talk to his mom.
Bro, what you doing on my property? Get your ass up there, bro.
The doorbell?
No, you ain't got no doorbell. Get the fuck off the property.
Hi.
Get off the property.
Yeah,
You go in the house.
I know who he is. He's Stan.
Yeah.
You go in the house.
Hi. I was driving behind him actually at Come and Go, and he was sitting there for like 20 seconds and not going, so I tapped my horn. And he just pulls out in the middle of the road, stops and gets out and starts flipping me off. And
I'm so sorry.
And nearly had a head-on collision with somebody else at the time. And so literally I'm driving on my direction home.
What are you doing with him?
I came to help you at the time, but I'm not even gonna lie about the situation. Look, we pulling out a Come and Go. Caden was on his phone. He texted and he honked. So I'm like, he honked, and Caden was like, what the fuck? I'm like, Caden, just drive for me. So you know how you turn on the Come and Go and there's a lane. You know how where you can get to the turn lane from coming on this side. Well, Caden stops in the middle of the road. We turn around just talking to him like, what do you want? So next thing you know, we turn right here. He come out of nowhere, like, with the camera. So,
I'm so
but
sorry.
you know Caden got an
Hang on,
attitude.
Quincy.
I'm just talking.
I don't care. I don't like you with my son. Stan, I'm Andy Fair.
Hey.
It's fine. It's nice to finally
Sorry
meet
to
you.
meet you like that.
But, okay, I can't deal with this here.
This fucking person! Oh my fucking god! I'm about to fucking snap. There's no one in front of him, so he's just sitting here. Of course, no one's gonna let me go around. Is he gonna... Oh, of course, yeah, of course. Look at this fucking dick! Are you fucking kidding me? Ah! Do I fucking tap his car? Is that... You see this, right? He won't let me go! The fuck, bro? What a fucking idiot! There's a fucking bus, you know, fucking people have to go. This fucking idiot. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? What a fucking idiot! Where are the fucking cops? The fuck? Yeah, fuck you.
Yeah, they're shooting right there.
What the fuck?
Se andan peleando. Ahorita pasó una por acá rapidito. No más.
Yep, so this lady's threatening to reverse her car into mine because she don't want to pull forward and pull a loop-dee and go out the fucking other way. Because she has to go that way, not this way. Guess what, lady? Not my fucking problem. No other place to fucking park. This is the way it is. So now you can sit on your ass, or you could pull forward and you could fucking leave. Not my problem. So yeah, come on. Keep backing it up. Backing it up, bitch. Think I give a fuck?
She's not wasting her time.
She's wasting her own time. All she has to do is pull forward and turn around. That's it.
Watch Norma take her again.
Hey, Norma. This bitch is harassing me in front of me. Yeah, she has to go that way, so I need to move my car so she can back up because she don't know how to go around and turn out that way. So yeah, she's backing up her car like she's gonna hit me. Get crazy bitch. I'm gonna just sit here all fucking day now. You ain't got shit to do, right? Well, alright then. We're gonna stay. Hi,
What
sweetie.
you do?
I ain't got shit to do. I got all day, motherfucker. All day. All day business. I'm just put this right there. Dashboard cam.
That's my strong.
There we go.
She can go up there, turn around,
I
come
know
back
she
this way.
can. But she's being stupid. She thinks I should fucking cater to her. Do it. I dare ya. Do it. I get a new front end. Go around. No. I don't give a fuck. Go around, you. Are you retarded? You fucking turn your car around right up there and go. No. No shit, Sherlock. You pull over there, you pull a Yui, and you fucking go out that way. It's not rocket science. All right, listen, princess. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you. If I was a crack whore, I would be skinny, wouldn't I? She got roasted. Come on. Let's see what you got, lady.
Oh, that got
I'm gonna sit here all fucking day.
That got recorded.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna stand out my car.
That got recorded. All the talking. You're a dumb bitch. All you have to do is drive and turn around. Fuck you. I don't care. I'm gonna sit right here and wait for them, sweetheart, because I got it all on tape.
She is calling the cops?
No, she's talking to her boyfriend or some shit. She's trying to make it look like she's calling the cops. Because I heard her say, I should call the cops. There's no reason for this. She has all that space to turn around.
Yep.
And she want to be stupid. So guess what? I'm going to stay here all fucking day. I don't care.
The workers here think it's fucking funny.
Yep.
They were up there
I
walking.
know them all. I know all them all. I don't know who the fuck this bitch is, but oh my god.
A little preppy girl.
I don't know why she thinks she's a fucking princess and she can't turn her car around.
She thinks she's a princess.
Like, really?
She probably don't know how to.
I don't even care.
Yeah, we have fun together.